Hi everyone, Paul King from 𝗀𝗏𝗲𝗲𝗍𝗂 here. Today I'm going to show you how you can archive a job from the dashboard. So what is archiving a job? Well, you can kind of think of it like deleting a job, but it's a safer version of delete because you can always restore an archived job later on if you need to. So you might want to archive a job if you've created it in error, or maybe you created the job but the client decided they didn't want to go ahead with the work. These would be great times to archive the job just to get rid of it from the job list. So how do you go about archiving a job? It's very straightforward. I'll show you now. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the job you wish to archive. Tap the Edit button to open the side menu, and from here you can archive the job. As soon as the job's been archived, it will turn red to indicate it's no longer an active job. If you refresh the job list at this point, it's no longer going to show. So we'll do that now. But if you still need to access the job for some reason, maybe because you archived it by mistake or because you just want to take a look at the report, all you have to do is change this drop down here to show archived jobs. If now you wish to make it into an active job again, all you do is repeat the process by editing the job to open the side panel, and this time unarchiving the job. If you do this, it will turn black to indicate it's now an active job again. And if you refresh this list view, it's going to disappear. If we now switch back over to our all jobs, active jobs list, it's now showing once more. So that is how you archive a job within 𝗀𝗏𝗶𝗀𝗍𝗂. Always archive a job rather than setting the stages to complete if the job never actually happened.